Hello and welcome back to No Excuses English. I'm Anna.
Hi, I'm Mark. Today we help you survive your first U.S. grocery visit.
Yes, you'll learn to ask for help, find what you need, and speak at the checkout.
No stress, no fear. Real phrases you can use today.
Quick map for this episode. 4 steps.
Step 1, at the entrance, greeting and asking for help.
Step 2, finding items in the aisles.
Step 3, checkout phrases and payment.
Step 4, small talk and polite closes.
Ready? Let's go shopping.
Step 1, entrance, greeting and asking for help. When you enter a grocery store, be friendly. A smile helps.
Say hi or hello.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Excuse me, where can I find milk?
Could you help me, please?
Let's shadow. Repeat after us.
Hi.
Hello.
Excuse me. Where can I find milk?
Could you help me, please?
Nice. Easy and polite.
The worker might answer, "It's in aisle 5.
Or go straight and turn left.
Let's practice. Worker, it's in aisle 7.
You, thank you.
Worker, go straight and turn right.
You, thanks so much.
Quick vocabulary, grocery basics.
Cart, basket,
Aisle, row,
shelf,
price tag.
sale, discount.
Try these sentences. I need a cart.
Where are the baskets?
Is this on sale?
How much is this?
Shadowing again. Speak out loud.
I need a cart. Where are the baskets? Is this on sale? How much is this?
Great job. You can start your grocery trip.
Step 2. Finding items in the aisles. Now you are inside the store. You want to find items.
Let's learn categories.
Fruits and vegetables, dairy, meat, bakery, frozen, snacks, drinks.
Short questions help you get answers fast.
Where is the milk?
Do you have rice?
Is there fresh bread?
Can I find chicken here?
Let's shadow again. Slow speed. Where is the milk?
Do you have rice?
Is there fresh bread?
Can I find chicken here?
Excellent. When the worker answers, listen for these. It's in the back, next to the bread, in the frozen section. We're out of stock.
Out of stock means they don't have it now.
Exactly. Let's practice a mini dialogue. Worker, can I help you?
Yes, where can I find chicken?
It's in the frozen section, aisle 6.
Thank you.
Your turn, listener. Repeat with your own words.
Can I help you? It's in aisle 5.
Perfect. You're speaking. Step 3. Checkout. Paying and talking to the cashier.
Now the big moment, the checkout. Don't freeze.
The cashier will say, "Hi, how are you?"
You can answer, "I'm good, thank you." Or, "I'm fine, thanks."
Then they ask, "Did you find everything okay?"
Say, "Yes, thank you." Or, "Almost, but it's okay."
Let's shadow this full mini talk. Cashier. "Hi, how are you?"
I'm good, thank you.
"Did you find everything okay?"
Yes, thank you.
Now payment time. Key phrases.
I'll pay with card.
Credit or debit.
Credit, please.
Can I tap?
Do you take cash?
Can I use Apple Pay?
Please enter your PIN.
Let's practice together. Slow, then normal. I'll pay with card. Credit or debit? Credit, please. Can I tap? Do you take cash? Thank you.
After payment, the cashier may ask, "Do you want a bag? Paper or plastic?"
Would you like your receipt?
And you answer,
Yes, a bag, please. Plastic is fine. No, thank you.
yes, please. I need the receipt.
Let's shadow again.
Do you want a bag,
Yes, a bag, please.
paper, or plastic?
Plastic is fine.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Great. You just paid like a local. Step 4. Small talk and polite closes.
The nice ending.
The cashier might say, "Have a good day."
You too. Thanks. You too.
Take care. See you next time.
Simple, warm phrases.
Shadowing time. Slow to normal. Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
See you next time.
You sound polite and confident. Role play 1. Short and easy. Let's act it out. I'm the cashier.
I'm the customer.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Did you find everything okay?
Yes, thank you.
That'll be $24.99.
I'll pay with card.
Credit or debit?
Credit, please.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, a bag, please.
Would you like your receipt?
Yes, please, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Listener, now your turn. Fill in your part.
Hi, how are you?
Did you find everything okay? That'll be $24.99. Credit or debit? Have a good day.
Role play 2. Asking for help in the store.
Now another scene. You can't find something.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, where can I find rice?
It's in aisle 4, next to the pasta.
Great, thank you so much.
No problem.
Listener, your turn. Try it.
Can I help you? It's in aisle 3.
Excellent. You can ask for anything.
Shadowing. Power lines. Shadowing. Power lines.
Now you repeat these power lines. First slow, then normal.
Now, slow speed. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where can I find milk? I'll pay with card. Do you want a bag? Yes, a bag, please. Thank you. Have a good day.
Now normal speed.
Excuse me, where can I find milk? I'll pay with card.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, a bag, please.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Listening mini quiz. Quick quiz. Say your answers out loud. What do you say to ask for help?
Excuse me, where can I find...
What do you say when the cashier asks, "How are you?"
I'm good, thank you.
The cashier says, "Paper or plastic?" What's a good answer?
Plastic is fine.
You need the receipt. What do you say?
Yes, please, I need the receipt.
How do you end politely?
Thank you. Have a good day.
Build your 5-line grocery script. Now build your 5-line script for the store.
Line 1. Hi, how are you?
Line 2. Excuse me, where can I find milk?
Line 3. I'll pay with card.
Line 4. Do you want a bag? Yes, a bag, please.
Line 5. Thank you. Have a good day.
Say your 5 lines out loud now.
Hi, how are you?
Excuse me, where can I find milk?
I'll pay with card.
Do you want a bag? Yes, a bag, please.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Perfect. Save it. Use it today. Common cashier lines. Understand fast. Next in line, please. Do you have a rewards card? Would you like cash back? Please insert your card. You're all set.
Your easy replies. Okay. No, thank you. Sure. Thanks. Quick shadowing.
Next in line, please.
Okay.
Would you like cash back?
No, thank you.
You're all set.
Thanks.
Recap. Big ideas. Review time.
Step 1. Greet and ask for help. Excuse me, where can I find milk?
Step 2. Find items. It's in aisle 5.
Step 3. Checkout and payment. I'll pay with card. Yes, a bag, please.
Step 4. Close politely. Thank you. Have a good day.
You can do this today. No freezing, no fear.
Practice your 5 lines before you go.
Post your 5-line script in the comments. We will correct the first 10.
Speak at the store today.
No excuses.
Bye.
Bye for now.